Alrighty, geometric form. This is Scoobs with Project Blue. I got my donor XFI engine in here with swap valve cover. I got everything hooked up, including my gas tank. Hee because I don't have a gas tank underneath the car yet. I just want to see if it fires. So a little bit of gas. Got my inlet and my return line and my fire hazard. Hook up my positive. You can see the fuel pump's going. Let's see if she runs. Oh. And there's my XFI way over there. Oh, sweet. Let's see how fast I can go in first gear, since I have no axles in here. Whee! Look, geometric form, I'm doing whee! 85.